In today's fast-paced world, strategy without execution is just a wish. After all, over 58% of project failures are due to lack of strategic alignment, and yet only 32% of leaders believe their teams are fully aligned. That's why your organization requires full-scale visibility across multiple teams, projects, and outcomes. And that's where project and portfolio management software comes in. Let's take a look at the 6 most prominent PPM solutions for a fast-paced environment. First, we have Businessmap, a cost-effective lean project and portfolio management software that helps organizations bridge the strategy to execution gap. With its AI-powered strategic whiteboards, portfolio managers can visualize strategic goals and map out their connection to programs and projects. From there, coordination boards bring cross-team alignment into focus, visualizing dependencies, progress, and priorities. At the epic and task level, flexible visual boards give every team the tools they need to deliver faster while staying connected to the bigger picture. Businessmap enables powerful reporting tools where portfolio managers can see at a glance OKRs and KPIs status, project progress, deadlines, and forecasts, custom metrics for costs, log times, and many more. No matter your workflow, Businessmap adapts to your portfolio, not the other way around. Next, we have Planview portfolios. With Planview, you can manage every aspect of your portfolio from a single platform. Its resource capacity and demand management tools make it easy to balance workloads across the organization. Scenario planning helps you test investment options before committing, while its analytics give executives the data they need to make confident decisions. Jira Align is a popular PPM platform for scaling Agile. It connects every user story and sprint to high-level business goals through strategic roadmaps. Program boards make dependencies and risks easy to spot, helping you keep large initiatives on track. And due to the connection with Jira, updates flow quickly from teams to executives. Triskell Software is known for its flexibility for strategic portfolio planning. Triskell lets you design portfolio workflows that match the way your business operates, rather than forcing you into a predefined process. You can set and track OKRs alongside projects, keeping strategy and delivery in sync. Its scenario modeling tools are great for weighing investment options, and built-in risk and resource management help ensure you deliver successfully. Another widely used PPM platform is Celoxis. Celoxis offers powerful Gantt charts that make project planning simple and interactive. Its time tracking and billing features are ideal for service-based teams. Portfolio dashboards surface key metrics at a glance, and resource workload tools help you keep your teams productive without overloading them. Last but not least, Planisware is a trusted choice for product development portfolios. Its road mapping and lifecycle management tools give you control from concept to delivery. Resource and cost tracking are robust, and the platform's scenario and budget planning features help you forecast and allocate investments wisely. Its reporting capabilities are particularly strong for engineering-heavy organizations. The right project portfolio management tool doesn't just track projects, it aligns all teams in the organization toward shared strategic goals. While each option is worth exploring, Businessmap helps transform your PMO through a clear strategy to execution connection while keeping costs at a minimum. To learn more, check our full project portfolio management software selection guide or request your free on-demand Businessmap demo.